Here we are going to understand the interfaces and type definition in the TypeScript. In this video, we're going to understand the most important and most confusing topics in the TypeScript, basically the interfaces and the type definitions, okay, and also called type aliases. So by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what is an interface, what is a type, and when to use which, and the real difference between them, okay. So first of all, suppose we have a like object, okay, user object. We have a user object here, okay, in which name, age, and the boolean value is admin, okay. So this works, but what happens if we have 20 user subjects? Then we don't instead of repeating structure again and again, we can create a reusable type, and we can use it once for all, right? So for that, the interfaces come into the role where this makes our code cleaner and reusable, right? As you see, interfaces, we have defined the structure of users where name, age, and is admin, right? So is it define all the structure of an object, and by this help of it, we can use these structures for the 1,000 times and the 20, whatever the we do, just to use it, like we using one of the users of that same print, okay. So it helps like this, okay. So after all, we have the interfaces with function. We can also define inside the structure the functions, and we can also use that functions for the multiple steps, right? And in the interfaces, we also has an option or properties. What is the option properties is like the question mark, actually. Basically, this question mark do you can you can you want, if you want to use this value, you can use, otherwise you can still left this value, no issues to continue using it. So this is the optional value by using the question mark only, okay. Let's try to understand the type alias and TypeScript, okay. So we are also defining like same things like the structures with a key value keyword on a type, okay. But the works are different. Let's try to understand in the further it. So we just created one of the object of type where we defining the value inside the users, okay. So in the types we have union values like operator you are seeing, and the primitive types you have the string values, the number values, okay. But the interfaces, how is the difference? We can define one of the structure, and we can also extend the structures as interfaces like dogs. So maybe animals has the string value, and we are going to understand define that dog. So whatever you define in a dog, and the animal has the name, so everything is coming to this, basically it inherit the properties of animals in the dog, right? So but in type we do not do such things like interfaces, okay. So type intersection in the we have, and type intersections we have using the operator. So let's try to understand the final thing, the key differences. Uh, it is for interface, it is for the best structure, great for large projects, can be extended easily, but and can merge automatically, declaration merging easy, right? But in the type, more flexible, can define unions and can define primitives and can define tuples and combine multiple types into ones. So yes, this is all about this. So thank you.